Hi, I'm Mauri Kostiainen. I work as a digitalization and process modeling specialist here at Metso Outotec.
I am Katariina and Tarkkio and I work as a process metallurgist for the flotation business line.
I started studying in 2013 in School of Chemical Technology in Aalto University, and I studied there for 6 years and majored in sustainable metals processing.
Yeah, I have the same school, same studies, so also sustainable metals processing, but I started 2011. And the difference between me and Mauri is that I studied with the EMEC, European Mineral Engineering course.
First, I was a summer trainee in 2018, and that I actually got kind of through a contact. I got an email that we would need someone to do process modeling, and I had sworn that I will not touch process modeling at all. And then the next year I continued as a master's thesis worker, and then after my master's thesis I started with a permanent contract.
I got accustomed with Outotec from the first day of the studying in this Outotec Ilta, which is the same night now, Metso Outotec Ilta, that the new students are in. And from that day forward, I was like, I want to work in this company. And I got more accustomed with Outotec when I was studying in the EMEC, and we had a lot of collaboration. We had these case studies for Outotec, and we were able to visit the Pori Research Center, and then I finally got my master thesis to Outotec. But in 2016, when I graduated, there was no possibilities to work for Outotec, so I went for another company for a year. And then the moment that something came up for Outotec, I joined Outotec.
Cool.
Yeah.
A regular work day, I'd say a lot of HSC work, so building simulation models, and then I also work quite a lot with these training simulators, so going through the training material, creating new exercises in them, and then testing the system, and then also having the trainings for new operators, for example.
So my workday varies quite a bit because I work in an expert position, and so my workday can consist of meetings with the customer or with just within the team, planning for future R&D work, planning future sales work, sales opportunities, or then just doing testing, so hands-on work on site or at the Pori Research Center. So maybe last year I was 100 days abroad. So that was quite a bit.
I haven't had that much site experience yet. I only was for a few weeks in Finland on one site.
And I'm still a rookie. So.
Yeah. And yeah, also in addition to building those simulations, I also have a few R&D projects of my own. And then also when we build the simulator for a customer, we have to discuss with the customer what they need and what we can provide, and then come up with a solution that benefits both. And it's a lot of collaboration between different people inside Metso Outotec and with the customers.
Yeah. Best thing about this work is that it's scientific, but then it's hands-on, and so I get to plan and execute and see how I failed and repeat and do it again, and and so it's really constant development of yourself and of the products that you are working with, and it's really rewarding to see how everything really works.
For me, I think the best part is that I get to or try and get to come up with new ideas and new things to the industry. So bringing up new ways of working or new ways to utilize, for example, process data more efficiently, so we can optimize processes. And then another thing is that I like that my work is quite independent, so I get to do by myself quite a lot, but also there are people to support when necessary. So it's quite rewarding when you get things done on your own, and then you can get to present your work and then implement it in real life.
Yeah, also the teamwork is a kind of a amazing thing that you have even though your work is really independent, you have this group of experts, and you can bounce on ideas, just brainstorm, and it doesn't even need to be that they're from the same field as you are. It can be in automation or hydrometallurgy or what from wherever, and then you get to collaborate with those people.